Local news for Monday, the 30th of September. South Wairarapa District Council has become a joint owner of Wellington Water and from tomorrow becomes the sixth council to benefit from the council-based company's water management services. David Bassett, the chair of Wellington Water's Shareholder Committee and Deputy Mayor of Hutt City, says we're delighted to have South Wairarapa on board. Wairarapa Hospital radiology staff are striking today and Wednesday from 7am for 24 hours. Ultrasound services won't be affected and detailed plans are in place for providing services. Rangatahi will feature in tonight's television series The Negotiators on Māori television. Jason Kirihi and Mavis Mullins will both feature. And in sport, a late penalty sealed the win for the Ferries Wairarapa Bush and Westport on Saturday. Down 12-7 at half-time, the Bush boys defended hard and came away with a win, with that leaving them fifth on the table. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.